Please note that I selected the concave part of the rough table to be the top side. Two aluminum rails bolted together with aluminum scrap plates to generate a positive guidance so the router could slide in its rectangular base plate. The roller bearing track guide angles were screwed to the side of the table. If the holes left behind by the screws bother you, they can be plugged afterwards. The track rails have to be parallel and at the same height. If this is not the case, shim them as needed. A good guidance will give you better results and avoid a lot of headaches. This small router is fitted with a 3/4 of an inch router bit. It is ideal for this application. The use of a lightweight router is key here. It avoids the bending of the aluminum angles and it's easy to push around. The first step was to route all 4 edges so that the router bit would not bite the table edge. Once the 4 sides were cleaned, I could start routing the 36 long and 30 inches wide table surface. This is after the first pass. This is after the second pass. A total of 3 passes were needed to achieve a flat surface. The roller guided jig worked pretty well. Of course, the router will leave some very small ribs between parallel cuts. This can be easily erased with a palm sander. This is the table after the 3rd pass. If you want a super finish, then sand some more. Once the top of the table was done, I had to flatten the hump on the opposite side in such a way that the leg frame would make full contact with the back side of the tabletop. Here I decided to route only the needed area so that the leg frame silhouette could fit, avoiding extra work cleaning the whole surface. Once the routing was done, I proceeded to chisel out the corners to make space for the leg frame. You can see that in the middle of the table the router went deeper to get rid of the hump. This jig is very compact, lightweight, and minimal space is required to store it.